Prime Minister inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of PMAY, rural and urban projects, as well as participated in group pravesh of around 19,000 houses built under the scheme. CBSE has announced the Class 12 and Class 10 board exam results. Girls have outshined boys in the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) Class 12 examination results. Counting votes for the Karnataka Assembly elections will begin tomorrow at 8 am. The 6th edition of the Indian Ocean Conference is set to be inaugurated this evening by Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina in Dhaka. Cyclonic storm and lay centered over central adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal, about 530 kilometers west-northwest of Port Blair.